That's it. You put the focus. Go on, jump,
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. So them say Shenseea pregnant, but we'll see. Alright guys, so Shenseea take it to Instagram and make a post. Actually, this same post we wanna look on and say, I'm used to this. You see it kinda questionable where she lift up her shirt and she in her studio. So at first I say like she used to recording or something like that. You see it, but the way it look all her button pull. You see it? So the people they must say she pregnant people. Comment down below, tell me what you think. If you don't know what really are going, cause Jada Kingdom sets up ups. And comment, not just yesterday, you tell me say you don't have nobody for breed you. No sir, and she reply and say you can't trust nobody. No ideas. Slash people. Yes it. So anyways guys, you don't know my style already. I me name Wull on there. So when I come forward towards YouTube right now for do my video, I have to do a lot of speculations. You see it guys? And me feel like say I full her belly full, just one of them one day and you feel like tricky people them. Cause all what go on in the mighty Shenseea next week, next month and our belly's flat same. I'm not ask. I used to them celebrity I do them look up. You see them sites thing. Yeah. So anyways guys, I really want to say much about it because I'm not sure, and it would be such a great news to know that she is pregnant again. Me feel like people who have proper finance maintenance and stuff like that. If get youths, is it? Yeah, when I say get youths, what I mean by just to read up the place, but none of have youths more than etc. Is it? So for all who did watch the video I'm make saying Amari this Shenseea and say a lie me a tell. Well, see on a chance if she say yo is not a nice lady. Cause she go out of the box and this spice also. You see it, and this one kinda more direct. Cause this direct, you see it guys, and I'm gonna hear the clip first and then we talk about this. You see it, cause you must not believe me.
You didn't believe me. Last year around this time, I say, spies, watch out for me. I'm coming. Can somebody find the video and send it to me, please? But the itch sat there in Wonderland like Alice, not believing in me.
Hey guys, like she said a lot more things than this, but you know too much bad word and this and that. She style spice guys. And here what? I go post the video there on my Instagram, so if you don't want to see it, just click the link down below in the description down below and go over to my Instagram page. You see it? And I'm not telling no lie. If you're a big woman, I know big people miserably get my guys, but you know, I think some people when they reach a certain age, certain things don't bother them. You see me? But that girl, she have like this mental disorder, and day by day it approve. Is it? So we just want to know say me I get boring as she right now. You see me? Spice no for answer. Our followers and Spice will not add up, you see it? So Spice a bigger star right now. It no make no sense Spice talk about she. Make it people them pan Spice page, you know she. I get my guys. You see me? Yeah. And the next thing, you see me? All I go on and make this woman feel like she a celebrity. They need to stop, you see it? Yeah, because it not work. And I know say it's a overnight 5 minutes of fame something this, you see it? She mad. People she mad. When I just tell her that. When you stop hype her up. Good morning everybody. When you know the style. You see me? So Spice are my baby, you know. No matter what. You see me? As in for say she there before in the business and yet still she not go out her way for this enough people, cause enough female artists coming out of business. Whenever you hear Spice and them, most likely not. Spice and a male artist would most likely go at it for sure. You see me? So right now That girl need to go to Bellevue and get checked up on. But anyways, guys, them have it for say Usain Bolt confirm and test positive with COVID-19. I'm not sure how true this is, guys, but you know, hopefully we want the best for our people. Them at Jamaica, you know my style. You see it, especially knowing where him come down the legacy where him set him off for there, living legend. You get me? You know want so much good people. Things are reach them and the only set of people them no honor reach them. I can't tell no lie. You see me? Yes, I so him have a lot to say in regards about COVID-19 situation and thing. So make we hear what him have to say first before we go any further.
Good morning, everybody. Just waking up, and like everybody has checked social media, saw that social media saying I'm confirmed to have COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work. Trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay from my friends. And also, having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, you should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy and just to make people know, be safe out there. All right, cool.
So there you have it, guys. You know, like some people have it for say, you know, him not get the results as yet, so him not so sure. Is it? But here we go. We are hope for the best, guys. Is it? And also reports made that Leon Bailey, that are the footballer, international footballer. Ding Dong, couple other artists, Romain, Christopher Martin, who that Munga, a lot of them was present at the said day when him returned from the party. The same party there where them catch COVID from. All of them we did it. Is it? So right now it kinda sticky, so we are here, we are going. We are give something some time and hear what is what for real. But for now I'm out. Oh yeah, one last thing before I go away, guys. So but just get monetized, is it? I just want to thanks YouTube, thanks the viewers and subscribers and the supporters. Also, is it? I just want to inform on also so I get monetized right now. Is it? So better content coming, better work. Is it pray? But for now though, we just are going to get some good information for the peeps. So out.